Hello friends, Astrologer Mohnish here. Thank you for watching my videos on Vedic astrology and financial astrology. How to write a put spread option. I'm going to teach you and show you live on this in this video. Put spread is used when we know that the direction of the market is upwards. You can pick any stock, any commodity which we are predicting is going to be bullish through IVF indicator or through our algorithm based the range indicator. So all you need to do is, I'm going to take an example of Tesla in this scenario. You see Tesla is pretty much bullish. Okay, you see our indicator is showing bullish and it's going upwards. It hits the target. It retraced here. There is no minus. There is no red cell triangle came here. That means this wave is still bullish, even though this is waiting. Now, when this green came here again, it went again up. Now, this is already bullish. It can go a little bit down, red here, but then the moment green comes in here, it will go more upwards. So this is what Tesla is doing, and we know it's pretty much going very much strong and bullish. Our algorithm is also predicting that the range would be 412 to 469 for the next 4 days. Let's say our prediction is, this is our algorithm based predictions for 3 to 4 days. We are predicting gold, Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ, and the Tesla stock is right here. And we update this twice a week to give you the range 4112 till 469. It is on 418 today. Okay, Tesla is trading at. So it is within the range. So our algorithm is very accurate. Now we anticipate it going to up 475. So how are we going to make money with this? How are you going to trade options when you know something is going upwards? Normally people buy the stock, and then sell it. Now, how many stocks you can buy, right? You can buy, it's already 400 plus. You need to have much money in your bank balance, in your trading account to buy even 100 stocks of this, right? 41,000 or something. So what says options gives you the leverage where you can use less money of your brokerage account and you can still make a lot of profits. And options always gives you the value in terms of if the trade goes back or against you, you can still optimize it. Okay, there are many ways in options. Option is the best way to be a successful trader. Okay, so now how you write the put option, we know the direction is upwards. So all you need to do is, I'm going to share step by step with my interactive broker platform. You may be using any platform, but the system strategy is same. Okay, there could be some settings you need to do on your trading platform, but how you do in IBKR, I'm going to show you that. I'm going to demo you that. And what is your profit and loss maximum? You can just read it before you even go into your trade. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end. This is my IBKR platform, and you can see this is a Tesla stock, a daily stock. And as I mentioned in the beginning, we are still bullish on the Tesla. And we think if it is pulling back, it will pull back to 410, 415 levels and then keep going up. Now, how you write a put spread, put option and take credit is I'm going to show you here. So you see that option chain? I've picked Tesla here. So Tesla and all, you can see all the option chains, December 13th till March 21st is shown to me. Now, what we do is normally we pick something between 8 and 29 days range, and we pick something which has more implied volatility. So more IV means more premium you can get. So here we see 60% implied volatility on January 10, 59 is January 3rd, 54 is January 7th, 27th. So we will pick something which is 59.4%. So above 50% implied volatility, you get more premiums. And that's the whole point of selling options, because you want to pocket the premium. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to, you see when you come first time, you see this tab, orders, log, trades, portfolio strategy builder. We're going to build a strategy here, means we are going to buy a leg and we're going to sell a leg also of options, put options. So here we're going to click on strategy builder and we're going to pick vertical spread. Okay, from the drop down, it's moved to the tab view, but I'm going to make it a list view for easy to read and easy to see. And maybe I'm going to make some more room here so that you can see more, right? So now you can see that I drag this window a little upwards to see more. And now you see January 3rd, 22 days and 59.4% implied volatility. I'm going to go with a strike price of 415. Okay, so I know the stock price will not move lower than this because it's bullish. Even if it moves down, I know what the risk I'll be taking overall. So what we'll do is strategy builder. It will give you two options or multiple options to pick multiple legs. So first leg is we're going to sell 415 strike price, one put spread. So this is the first one put option. Bid means selling, ask means buying. We are selling one. So red means sell. So here it is. I click on this. So we are selling January 1st, 2025. Sorry, January 3rd, 2025. One contract. This is contract at the strike price of 415. And now to limit our risk and also to limit our margin requirements. Margin requirement is the loan what the brokerage will give you to execute any trade. Okay, if your account is only have 5K, 10K, then it will not allow you to sell this option because the risk will be huge when you sell a naked option. So the brokerage will not allow you to do that. So to prevent that, what you do is you buy one more option. So 415 you're selling, two strike price like 405. So 415 minus one strike price 410, another one 45, you will buy this one. So you are selling for $2,200 and you're buying for $1,820. The difference of these two will be your credit, will be the money you will get in your account right away when you execute this trade. Here is again, we are selling one option contract at the strike price of 415, which will give us $2,200 a premium, but the trader platform will not allow you to execute this. So we are buying one more at 405 strike price, which is now asking 1820. So 1820 minus 2200, this will be, let's say $400 approximately, or 380 will be your credit, will coming in your bank account. Okay, when you execute this trade. Now, what will be your risk and reward? You right click on this and check margin performance and profile. Click this particular option. And here you see that. So you can see very clearly, we are selling one. I'm going to highlight it here. This is we are selling and we are buying this one. Total money we are getting is 471 minus the commissions, 468 will be credited in our account. So what we will be making overall, so maximum return we will get executing this trade is $380. And the maximum loss means, let's say Tesla comes to zero, which is less than 0.0% chances, right? No stock gets to zero level. So even if stock goes to zero, all we will lose is $617. And as long as this particular stock, the Tesla stock, is above this price, break even 411, you are making money. You are in profit. Okay. So let's say if you want to see the performance profile on that particular day, that is January the 3rd, you drop down, you can pick the January 3rd when the trade will be ended. You can see it very clearly here. This is the price of the stock and this is the profit and loss part. So if the price of the stock moves to, let's say 425, 482, you see your profit is 380. So your profit is limited. Even if the stock price moves to 600, you still make $300, $380. If the stock price comes less than 411, you can see here 411. Look, this bar, this is the stock price. Okay, so this is the stock price and this is a profit and loss. And you can easily run your cursor along and see if the stock goes back to 407, 403.96, your maximum loss is capped to 620. But if the stock moves upwards, what we are anticipating, above 411, you will be in a profit. Okay, and you don't have to stick to January 3rd. You can close this trade before that also. All you do is you can select, let's say, one of the days. Definitely there will be delta theta coming to the picture, but I won't go into the geeks. But let's say December 24, the stock is at the price of 456 or 445. You still make $163 here. You can see that the dotted line is if you want to end the trade or close the trade earlier than the expiration date. And with options, this is the best thing you can get because you know what is the max you can get and what is the max you can lose. These two numbers cannot change whatever may happen. And that's the reason when you trade stocks, you have options to know what you will get at the end of the day. And since this is a hedge trade, you're hedging your losses, but you're also hedging your profits. So the margin for this particular trade is will be very, very less. That means even if you have a less than $5,000 in your account, you will be able to run this or execute this trade. Your brokerage will allow you, because ultimately they know maximum if you lose, you will lose 617. So maybe they will just keep a security of 617 till you close this particular. So, my dear friends, the point is this: when the markets are bullish, you don't have to buy and sell the stocks. You can just write the put spread and take the premium in your pocket and continue to do that, roll them or do it with multiple stocks. You don't need much money in your bank account to do this, because your risk is always hedged. Your profit is, you know that before you execute the trade. Your maximum loss, you know what it will be if the trade goes against you. So this is a strategy which has been played out by the prudent traders or the hedge fund managers to trade options when the market is bullish. You can do it with Nvidia stock, you can do it with Tesla, you can do it with Planter stock. They're all bullish, very much bullish. See our website. What are the bullish stocks we are saying? Our VIP indicator daily. Okay, look at the daily, not hourly, because this trade is going to be for at least 8 days or 22 days. So you always look at the daily candles. The daily candles bullish. You can play this trade. You stay there till 22 days, 23 days, or if you want, you can end it very quickly whenever you are in $100 or $200 or $150 in profit. So if the total profit is 380 and you reach the 50% of that profit in the next 10 days, 12 days, close it. Take the money, run another trade. Okay. Execute another trade with another stock, or maybe with the same one, with the Tesla. Okay. So this is how you do trading with options, put spread. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions, concerns. Now, we are giving you the algorithm range of the stock prices. We are giving you weekly and monthly predictions. We are giving you a VIP indicator. No other platform right now, as far as my knowledge is concerned, can give you this much. What we are giving you to be a successful trader. If you're still not successful, if you're still struggling, then something is wrong in your inhibitions, that your emotions are playing out and you are being overridden by your emotions, or you still, very jittery, or still, taking the emotional actions and decisions, which is making you not a successful trader. So again, it's an art and science. We are giving you scientific, measures along with astrological measures, how to trade, which direction you should be trading. But the talent lies in you. Okay, we cannot inject a talent inside you. We can give you the knowledge, we can give you the training, but internal instinct, internal emotions is your own talent. How much you trade, how much you learn. So my recommendations, at least do 3 put spread trades on the paper money before you do the real money. So play with the paper money, at least 3 different stocks. Take Planter, take Nvidia, take Tesla. And even if one goes bad, you should learn how, if one goes bad, what you should be doing it. Okay, this is how we learned it, that you should be okay in your paper trading, that you cannot win all trades. That's how the nature of the market is. But if the trade's going down against you, then what you're doing, how you're rolling, how you're changing the strategy. At least run 3 put spreads, paper trading, and then come to the real trading. This is my recommendation. This is how you will learn. Okay. I shall see you in my next video very soon. Thank you. Stay happy, stay safe, and I wish you all the best in your trading activities. Feel free to reach out over WhatsApp number if you have any questions. We cannot give you direct one-on-one advice, because there are certain laws as who can be a personal stock advisor. So we are not doing that. Okay, but we can always give you a hint and the direction if you get into a problem or you're struggling with something. Okay, so again, Astrologer Mohnish, God bless you all. I shall see you in my next video very soon. Thank you, and stay safe and happy trading.